Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy D's Equipment. So today we kind of have a very special episode of Crazy D's. Me and the doc aren't tinkering with anything. I'm not selling you, trying to sell anything or anything today. The most important thing in life is family, and this is a kind of a little family thing that me and Junior Mint, which you guys know is Junior Mint, but Christopher, my youngest son, did. Back in 2008, me and him fixed up and got running his very first tractor, which was an Alice Chalmer B. I bought the tractor from a neighbor man. When it came in, it had a loader on it and it was stuck and it wasn't running. And we spent the entire summer working on getting it running. Now, I do apologize, the footage isn't the greatest. I filmed this stuff, all the footage of this on my very first iPhone, or very first smartphone. Never had an iPhone. Very first smartphone I ever had. So it's just pieces and parts of the process. But I really hope you enjoy it. And yeah, I checked the oil. It is good. Give it a shot, Christopher.
I haven't been on TV.
I am. I did.
So for record, just want to state, we had the little Alice running. Ran okay. Governor started giving us problem. Brother and me thought the governor was sticking. Ends up that the carburetor was running too lean after we pulled the thing apart. Now we're in the process of putting her back together, and hopefully here soon the little Alice B shall be a running tractor and part of the collection again. Running, not quite right, and I'm not for sure what yet I got to do, but it's a tractor again. Sounds okay. Seems to be missing out on one of them, but we're making ground. Be moving under its own power. I got it. Months later, we think we got it. Hey, Chris! Well, guys, for those of you who stuck through to the end of that, I thank you guys very much. I appreciate you guys coming in and watching. If you enjoyed it and you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Otherwise, guys, thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching, and we will see you later on this week.